Drawing is my favorite hobby, which gives me happiness and psychological comfort. Drawing allows me to express my thoughts and feelings and communicate them to others in a beautiful artistic way. I love experimenting with different types of painting, whether it's watercolor, oil, lead or charcoal. It also helps me to continuously improve and develop my technical skills. Sometimes I paint in a realistic way, and sometimes I paint in a more abstract way. No matter how I draw, drawing helps me immerse myself in the artwork and forget about everything else around me. I also enjoy sharing my artwork with others and seeing their reactions to it. I can say that drawing is not only a hobby, but also a form of artistic expression that can be used to express many thoughts and feelings. I can paint to create artwork that communicates a specific message or idea, or I can paint in general because I enjoy artwork and express myself. Drawing can take a long time, but I find that time flies by while I'm busy concentrating on the artwork. Drawing also helps me focus and meditate, and gives me the opportunity to get away from everyday stress and relax. In addition, drawing helps me develop my artistic and creative skills, which makes me enjoy the challenges I face. Thanks to modern technology, I can now draw using computers and tablets, which facilitates the drawing process and enables me to enjoy the artwork in a more easy and fast way. One of the things I love about painting is the creative freedom it gives me. I can draw anything I want, from beautiful nature to fantasy characters and superheroes. Drawing also gives me the opportunity to express myself in an artistic way and to communicate a specific message or idea. In addition, drawing can be calming and relaxing, which helps relieve stress and stress. Meanwhile, drawing can be a fun and interesting challenge, as it requires a lot of focus and creativity. Also, I can draw anywhere and anytime, whether I'm at home, outdoors, or in a coffee shop, which makes drawing an easy and relaxing hobby. Finally, drawing can be a community hobby, where people who share the same interest in drawing can collaborate, exchange ideas, and participate in art exhibitions and workshops. This makes drawing a fun and exciting experience and helps enhance my artistic skills and inspires me to develop them permanently. All in all, drawing is a fun, relaxing, exciting and inspiring hobby. It gives me creative freedom and the opportunity to express myself in a beautiful way and to communicate a specific message or idea. It helps me relieve stress, and it can be a community hobby where people can engage in collaboration, exchange, and continuous learning.
Drawing is the art of expression that relies on the use of lines, colors, and shadows to depict things, feelings, and experiences. However, modern painting can be defined as the use of any medium or technique to create an image, design, or drawing on a surface, such as fabrics, walls, or digital surfaces, that expresses something in an artistic and attractive way. Modern painting can include a mixture of different styles and techniques, such as digital painting, watercolor painting, lead painting, ink painting, oil painting, charcoal drawing, pencil drawing, oil painting, dry color painting, wood color painting, brush painting, etc. A lot. Drawing is an expressive art used to create artistic images and designs that reflect emotions, feelings, ideas, and concepts. Drawing can be used to transform the physical world into an artistic world full of beauty and artistry. With the development of digital technologies, the tools and techniques available to artists have become more sophisticated and diverse, allowing them to create more creative and expressive artworks. Painting can generally be classified into several categories, such as realistic painting, abstract painting, fantasy painting, digital painting, graph, engineering drawing, and others. And each of these categories has its own unique style and techniques that can be used to create unique and beautiful works of art. Besides, drawing can be used to transform complex ideas and concepts into simple and attractive artistic images, which helps to convey the message in a more effective way. Artists can use drawing in many fields, such as graphic design, advertising, logos, animation, movies, electronic games, and others. Among the modern technologies that can be used in painting, digital painting can be noted, which uses computer tools and software to create works of art. This technology allows creating 3D artworks, manipulating colors and materials, and moving images and designs in an easy and efficient way. All in all, painting is an important art in human culture, helps foster creativity and individual expression, and reflects beauty, diversity, and human expression. Drawing is an expressive art that expresses creativity, beauty, and diversity in life, and is used to create artistic images and designs that reflect feelings, ideas, and experiences. Through modern technologies and tools available to artists, drawing has become more diverse and complex, and is used in many artistic, design, and advertising fields. Painting can be classified into several categories, such as realistic painting, abstract painting, fantasy painting, digital painting, graphic painting, engineering drawing, watercolor painting, and others. And each of these categories has its own unique style and techniques that can be used to create unique and beautiful works of art. Drawing is characterized by the fact that it can express the beauty and diversity of life and nature, and it can be used to transform complex ideas and concepts into easy-to-understand and attractive artistic images. Drawing can be used in many fields, such as graphic design, advertising, animation, movies, electronic games, photography, and others. Among the modern techniques that can be used in drawing, digital painting can be referred to, which uses computers and computer programs to create digital works of art. This technology allows creating 3D artworks, manipulating colors and materials, and moving images and designs in an easy and efficient way. In general, painting is an important art that expresses creativity and diversity in life, helps promote creativity and individual expression, and reflects beauty, diversity, and human expression. Artists can use drawing to create unique and beautiful works of art, and to communicate their artistic messages in an effective and engaging way.